Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of creatine supplementation. Creatine is a fantastic energy source for your muscles, helping you build strength and even support brain health. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any creatine regimen to ensure it aligns with your individual needs. Let's get started. Understanding creatine. Creatine belongs to the amino acid family, serving as the building blocks of proteins. Proteins are vital for muscle and bone development, tissue repair, and overall well-being. As a natural energy source, creatine enables your skeletal muscles to flex and contract, providing a continuous supply of power, particularly during intense exercise sessions. Did you know that about half of your body's creatine comes from your diet, primarily protein-rich foods like red meat, seafood, and animal milk? The remaining portion is produced naturally by your liver, kidneys, and pancreas, with 95% delivered to your skeletal muscles for physical activity, while the rest is utilized by your heart, brain, and other tissues. Understanding the science, let's take a closer look at what happens when you start taking creatine. The majority of the creatine you consume is directed to your skeletal muscles, where it combines with phosphoric acid to form phosphocreatine or creatine phosphate. This compound plays a crucial role in producing adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which serves as the primary energy source for your cells during exercise. By maintaining a continuous supply of energy, creatine helps your muscles endure intense workouts. Additionally, creatine aids in muscle recovery by activating satellite cells that facilitate the healing process of microtears caused by exercise. It also contributes to the increase of anabolic hormones responsible for growth and tissue repair. Furthermore, creatine promotes better cell hydration in muscle cells, which can lead to enhanced muscle growth and reduced dehydration and cramps. Interestingly, creatine supplementation can also elevate phosphocreatine levels in the brain, potentially benefiting memory function. Exploring creatine supplements, in addition to dietary sources. Creatine supplements are widely available for those who engage in rigorous workouts or have limited creatine intake from their diet. These supplements come in various forms such as powders, tablets, capsules, liquids, and energy bars, catering to diverse preferences and needs. Safety concerns. Extensive research shows that creatine supplements are generally safe for most individuals. However, it's important to note that more evidence is needed to determine its safety for specific groups, including pregnant or breastfeeding individuals, those with diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, or bipolar disorder. Consulting with a healthcare provider is highly recommended to ensure the safe and suitable usage of creatine. Unlocking the benefits. The effects of creatine on muscle growth can vary depending on multiple factors. Studies have demonstrated that regular creatine supplementation, combined with weightlifting and exercise, can effectively increase muscle mass in individuals aged 18 to 30. Athletes, both amateur and professional, often turn to creatine supplements to enhance their workout routines, improve recovery, and experience increased strength and quick burst energy without compromising aerobic endurance. Power sports enthusiasts, including bodybuilders, football players, hockey players, and wrestlers, often rely on creatine supplements to optimize their performance. Furthermore, exciting research suggests that creatine may have cognitive benefits, particularly for individuals aged 60 and older, enhancing short-term memory, reasoning abilities, and providing neuroprotection. Ongoing studies are exploring the potential benefits of creatine supplementation for individuals with cognitive conditions such as dementia. Importance of healthcare consultation, regardless of your fitness level, age, or health status. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating creatine supplements into your routine. Their expertise will ensure personalized recommendations and dosage guidance tailored to your specific needs. Popular creatine supplement. Creatine monohydrate. The most common type of creatine supplement is creatine monohydrate. This dietary supplement has shown significant results in increasing muscle performance during short-duration, high-intensity resistance exercises like weightlifting, sprinting, and bicycling. Other forms of creatine supplements have not demonstrated the same benefits as creatine monohydrate. Weighing the risks and benefits, creatine supplementation offers numerous benefits for individuals who engage in regular exercise. Studies have shown that it can improve exercise performance, aid in post-workout recovery, increase muscle mass, prevent severe muscle injuries, enhance tolerance for intense physical activity, reduce dehydration and cramping, and minimize muscle tightness, strains, and pulls. Vegetarians and vegans may especially benefit from creatine supplementation due to their limited intake of creatine through animal-based sources. Dosage: creatine monohydrate can be supplemented through a loading protocol. To start loading, take 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight per day for 5 to 7 days, then follow with at least 0.03 g/kg/day either for 3 weeks, if cycling, or indefinitely, without additional loading phases. For a 180 pounds, 82 kilograms, person, this translates to 25 g/day during the loading phase and 3 g/day afterward. There is no such compulsion to do loading. You can also take 3 g/day regularly without the loading phase. Considerations for side effects: creatine is generally considered a safe supplement. However, some individuals may experience side effects such as weight gain due to water retention, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or excessive sweating. If any of these effects occur, dividing the daily dosage into smaller, more frequent doses throughout the day can help alleviate these symptoms. Thanks for joining us today as we delved into the world of creatine supplementation. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember, when considering creatine or any new dietary supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider who can guide you based on your specific needs and health considerations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.